Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Liberty Tech here, back with another video, another case video for the Samsung S22 Ultra, and we're gonna get into it. So I have another case here. It's more of a rugged case versus the previous one I have shown in my previous video. I leave a caption or whatever up top. So this case, I don't know for what reason it doesn't have the actual company name on here. As you can see, it says generic phone case, but on Amazon it's from a company called Oterkin, I believe it's pronounced, and it's fairly simple. You know, you have a little sticker there that says it's for the S22 Ultra, and up top it says new fashion phone case. So nicely designed. It comes in multiple colors, as you can see here. It's 2-in-1, as you can read here, 2-in-1. So that means basically it's a case and a case with a stand, a kickstand. So let's go ahead and quickly open this. Nicely packaged. Free gift card for warranty. Put that off to the side. That off to the side, and it seems it comes with a screen protector. I always love when they do that. This is a nice bonus. I've never had a phone with a curved screen, so I don't know how this would actually work, but it seems to be curved on the edges there. Not sure if you guys can see that, but just put that off to the side. Take this out, and like, okay, so inside, not so soft texture, but it's not hard either. On the bottom, at the back, you have your kickstand. I also think this part is magnetic. Not too sure, but yeah, you got your kickstand here, your camera cutout here. The bottom, you have your ports for your USB-C. Your speaker, and your S Pen cutout. Up top again for your mic. On the side you have your up and down volume key and your power button. So let's go ahead and put this in. On a side note, I have noticed, man, I do love the fact that this phone is not a fingerprint magnet. Very nice. So if you don't want a case on it, you don't have to worry about too much smudges or fingerprints getting in on it. So let's go ahead and plop this in. Less than 3 seconds there. So as you can see, some slight protection on the sides, definitely on the bottom and on the top. Again, your volume up and down, easily accessible. You can hear the click. And your power button. On the back, the camera cutout, very well done. Let's go ahead and test out this this stand here. So you can lay it like that. You can have it like that. It's kind of, I mean, as long as you don't push too hard on it, it should be fine. Sorry for the natural lighting in here, but yeah, it should be fine if you're not putting too much weight on that. The back feels nice, very grippable, and yeah, like I said, the bottom ports you can easily see. Not sure if you can stand it flat, but the bottom is pretty flat. Nope. So yeah, guys, go ahead and check that out. I'm gonna leave a link down below on the product. I'm gonna check the price on here. It's $17.99. $17.99, basically $18 with tax. And then some of the colors are, I guess because of the colors, some are slightly priced higher, $1 or less more than this. So this one I believe is supposed to be blue. Oh, navy blue. Guys, this case is very well made. I'll leave a link down below. It's roughly priced at $17, $18 with taxes, and then you have various colors that are maybe 50 cents to $1 more because of the color. And like I said before, you have multiple colors here to choose from. And yeah, that's basically it, guys, for this case. Again, it's the case name is Oterkin, and again, I'll leave a link down below to the product if you want to purchase it for your S22 Ultra. And thanks for watching my video, guys. Give this a thumbs up. Peace out.